Hello.
Hello, hi, Mandy. I can see you. Good to see you again.
Yes. Nice to see you.
I'm Jane. I'm Jane, by the way. Good afternoon. Hi.
Yes.
You're adjusting the angle.
I
That's
see.
pretty good angle. Right. Okay, great, Mandy. Can you see me?
Yes.
Mandy, would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company or your products or any service you want to show to the overseas that you want to, just in 10 to 15 minutes? Thank you.
Yes. At first, let me introduce our company. We are Zhongshan Puwo Lighting Company. We are founded in 2013. Yes. And we are specialized in manufacturers of commercial lighting. Our products merely to sell. Our products merely sell to overseas. Is LED panel light, LED downlight, and LED flood light. Merely sell these three types of light, and we have a export to over 30 countries, such as like Brazil, Malaysia, India, and Iraq, Saudi Arabia, and Turkey, Spain, and so on. They are widely used in the indoor decoration and like supermarkets and in the shop. Maybe you can see the lighting we have do. So at the next, I will introduce to you to our products, also our factory. We now have over 7,000 square meter factory. The square meter we are based in Zhongshan, Henan town, and we have a professional production teams with about 8 to 9 years. So, and also have a professional sales team. And also we need to ensure the quality to our customers. So we also have many testing machine to check the light to ensure the quality for our customers. The mission of our company is to provide good quality products and service for all our customers, and that we are sincerely looking forward to cooperate with many customers. So welcome to contact me.
Wow, that's great. Thank you, Mandy. Thank you for your detailed introduction of the company. And we can see that the Puwo Lighting from Zhongshan is mainly doing the commercial lighting, including the panel lighting, indoor decoration, and your projects have done has has proven that you are the capacity of your company. Anything else you, Mandy, want to show us today in this factory tour?
Yes, I would. Can I? Maybe I bring the camera to go to show. Now I'm in our showroom, and then I will show you about our products. Is okay?
Great. That's really great. That's what our customer want to see.
Yes. Thank you. At first, we got in here. This is panel light. The products this one when we found our companies, and we provide and we produce this one. So this one is our very competitive products with long time experience for title blind. And for this title blind, we can see maybe we can see that have a two color temperature. Also, we can see from here. This is the research. It needs to be open the cup side. This is the one type of the music. It needs to open a hole, and also from here we can see is another type of panel. For this type, the sulfate type is like ceiling. Make the brackets and then put it in the ceiling. So that this is sulfate type. Both this is the products we sell many. And long time is now is about 8 years. 8 years is beyond sell to these products, so we have a good experience. And also, next is the downlight. You can see from here have the hole. Here have the hole that it also needs to open the cup side and then put in the light in inside. So this type is the COB downlight. The mainly different is this type use is the LED mixed together. It's not like the just now I show you the panel. So this is the downlight, and let's go to next. This, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, and we can see this type is frameless panel light. Also, is it mainly is the weight is different with the one I showed you just now for the same surface. So yes, it's the new item.
The frame is quite frameless. Yeah.
Yes. And next is this one. The mainly products I would like to produce to all of my friends. For this one is it can adjust the cup size. So customer no need can open the cup size. When the list light it can adjust. It can adjust. So this one is adjustable. And now this one, yeah, this is popular in the market. So I would like to introduce this one to all of my friends, and mainly for this one is it can make the driver in the inside and the driver in the outside.
Oh, I see. The driver inside packet or outside panel.
Yes, and it can. Yes, mainly for this one. And it also have the sulfate type, but the sulfate type it is cannot adjustable. But is for this model is our factory's own model, so we have the competitive price and can provide good price and with good service for our customers. So for this one now the mainly introduced, and then we go to. And also have this one. It can be make adjustable, and also can make surface. Can put the briquettes in here, and then it can use in the surface. It also is our own mold. So both of these now we mainly introduced to you. And then next. Next, we have the flood line. Flood line we now mainly do is the DOB type. It means is a driver on the PCB, so it can save the cost for from the customer side for the flood line. And it's IP66 and IP65. So it's waterproof. It can use in outside also, in the outdoor also. Yes. And then next is the all of our lines we have make part of CB certificate, and also have ENC, also have the CB and the IECE. So we try our best to produce the products to match our customers' require according different countries customers want.
Okay.
Yes.
Great. Great.
Also, we have the downlight.
Downlights. Yeah.
Yeah, different types of downlights. Yes. So this is what I would like to show. So to all my friends.
Great, Mandy. A quick question. Can I ask a few quick questions to Mandy?
Yes.
Thank you for the introduction of all your production line. And may I ask the warranty of the production? Warranty.
The warranty we have two because different country have a different customer. It may require different qualities but standard they want. So we have a 2 years warranty, 3 years warranty, and 5 years warranty. And this merely according the customers require, because some customers their country make like some Euro markets, maybe some customer needs to pass C driver and also EMC. That must be more than 3 years warranty.
Yes, different countries and the different requirements of the customers. Yes.
Yes.
And may I ask the second question about the duration, the capacity, the production providing duration? For example, one customer is interested in your production and want one sample, and how many days before you can send out the sample for them to have the sample to check?
Generally, when the customer inquire with me and want the sample, generally from 5 days, I can send you the samples to check.
And if they are satisfied with the sample and want to have a minimum order of the quotation, how many pieces you like to provide with the minimum order?
The minimum quantities in our factory is 500. Each item. Yes, like each power each set, because we have a round and have a square. But like this is round 500 and square 500 is okay. But if like this is use the normal packing, and if customer would like to painting their brand, the MOQs for each item is 3,000 pieces.
Okay, if they want OEM and have their own branding, they need 3,000 pieces for each item at the MOQ.
Yes.
Yes, great. That's very clear. And I think this is the common question for the customer if they're interested. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mandy. Very, very good of this today's interview or today's factory tour. And you have given us a very good and full detailed introduction. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. So have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Join our live stream next time. Yeah, thank you. Bye.
See you.